Some of you have asked for more detail about my brush with death in Iceland. It began with a 3-hour drive east of Reykjavík, through whiteout flurries and windswept terrain, headed toward a place that felt like the edge of the earth, Reynisfjara, Iceland's infamous black sand beach. Our goal was to see the Reynisdrangar sea stacks, those towering basalt monsters rising out of the Atlantic like ancient guardians. But when we arrived, the weather had other plans. It was snowing, blowing, and dark. The sky churned above us, thick with turbulent clouds, the waves deafening, violent, relentless. The beach was alive with nature's power. The clouds were turbulent, as were the thunderous waves that pounded the volcanic black beach. As we walked along the beach, we could feel the power of the place. We were surrounded by the environmental energy, the dramatic weather, the huge basalt cliffs, and the volcanic black sand getting absolutely hammered by the biggest waves I have ever seen.
It's amazing.
I wanted to get closer, to get close-up video of the waves smashing up against the basalt cliffs. My son Jonathan was with me, capturing it all. He's a big, powerful man, but on that beach he looked like a tiny toy figure, surrounded by huge cliffs that rose like cathedrals and waves that smashed the shore like hammers of the gods. I spotted what looked like a protected perch of basalt rock, perfect for filming. The waves didn't seem to hit that high. I figured I'd climb up and get the best shot of my life. From that vantage point, it was unreal. Waves exploding against stone, thunder echoing off the cliffs. I was in awe, completely hypnotized by nature's fury. Behind me, Jonathan was filming and yelling. His voice cuts through the storm. Dad, get back. Get back. Dad, that's too close. Get away from the edge. Then a sneaker wave, a rogue giant, came out of nowhere. No warning, no mercy. It hit me like a freight train made of ice and fury. One second I was filming, the next I was airborne, slammed into the surge like a feather in a hurricane. The Atlantic swallowed me. I couldn't breathe, couldn't tell which way was up. The cold was paralyzing, the force unbearable. Somehow, by clawing, crawling, and sheer will, I got back up the beach, soaked, shivering, but alive. That day, I learned what a sneaker wave really is. I also learned how fragile life can be, even for a seasoned adventurer like me. The beach was beautiful, but it was also deadly and cold. Let's just say it put the ice in Iceland. If you ever visit Reynisfjara, respect the warning signs, respect the ocean, because nature doesn't care how careful you think you're being. It only takes one wave. I survived Reynisfjara, many haven't. Never push your luck too far around the sea. I'm grateful to be here, and grateful to be able to share this harrowing experience with you.